We are here, we are here, we are here. What is an amazing day. Okay, everyone, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis, and we are marking up GFI, USD. Let's take a look at what's going on in the market. Price action. Last candle in the market is a bearish inverted hammer, so price is working its way down. Third to last candle in the market. Long push up to the top doji with a long wick up to the high. Okay, so what the market did was pushed up, came back down. Now we have sideways consolidation, price action at the low, high, low, mid. So within that mid, we should be finding that break and retest of that market, or maybe price at a double bottom already. The monthly time frame, we are identifying price action second last candle, two pushes down to bottom, which should be identifying a double bottom. Headed down to the weekly time frame, didn't even get to it yet. So price only did the break of that midpoint. So we had on the weekly time frame price action is a doji. Okay, waiting for the breakout for engulfing to the upside or to push that market up, or engulfing to the downside is going to push that market down. If not, that market is going to continue to consolidate in dojis or within that doji candle. So price action, we should be finding a break and retest at this area, maybe the second last, the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The seventh to last candle in the market is a push down. So the third one's probably a retest, and we can see that market did that elevation drop. So what the price did, we can see that it broke, came back to an area of support, pushed down at the area really twice, price action second last candle, still creating that double bottom structure. We don't know if that market's going to push up or push down or work its way sideways. Headed down to the daily. On the daily time frame, price action looks like a solid bearish candle. Could be a wick at the bottom. Price action is a solid. It's not solid. It's a bearish hammer. So price is working its way down. So we got to figure out where price is coming from. Only thing I can see price coming from, if we look at this area of price, let's say we just judge it from that area, price is coming from a double top. But if we look across, price is coming from that double top as well. So if you think about that spike up for the first leg, market comes down for the second, stuck back for the third in this area here. Push up for the third, and the market push down for the fourth. So one spike up, two spike ups equal to double top. Make a break and retest, market's working its way down. Okay, so if that market's gonna work its way up, for the incline, the W is in that structure below price, which is red first leg, second leg, third leg, market push up and fourth. Price action at the retest coming from a double top. Price action is at a midpoint of that area low. So we're gonna see if price is gonna respect this area to work its way back up. If not, price work its way back down. If not, price is sideways. That consolidation. Headed down to a 4-hour time frame to see what's going on. Price action on the 4-hour time frame looks like a doji. Price action on the 4-hour time frame is a doji. Got a little wick up to the top. More like a inverted hammer, or sorry, a bearish hammer. So price is working its way down. Ran into that area of support a few times. I mean, solid bodies of that candle, support bodies of that candle. We got some leverage here with price action second last candle for that double bottom. But then when you look at wicks, we can see that market push down, spike side by side with the second and third to last candle. and the market's working its way up. So we probably identify a break and retest that area, or let's see if we can see maybe just a double bottom. I mean, price is coming from somewhere. So we look at price action, high, low. We can see that price is at the midpoint point. So we're waiting for that breakout of that area. Head down to the 3-hour time frame to see what's going on. So price is trying to work its way back up. We got a retest in that market. So market push. Got a little slight retest. Still didn't break out the second last candle. So if a bullish candle doesn't break out the second last candle, which is a bearish price, and close out, price won't push up. Headed down to the 2-hour. Okay, so we're getting some bullish momentum. So price is working its way up higher. But price action. Okay, so if price can still work its way up. So don't know how far, but price action can do. Body is above the previous body. Wick is above the previous wick, but it's looked like more like side by side. So that market may not be breaking up. There's a 50-50 chance. May have to wait for more formations. That wick is too close, and now is identifying on the 1-hour time frame of the areas of resistance. So we run into a triple bottom of that area on the 1-hour time frame. So that market still is going to push up. It is more like a retest here. It'll be like the first leg, second leg, third leg. Market push up for that fourth and final retest. The market's work his way up. So market smack that area once, twice, 3 times for that resistance. But if that market's going to push down, markets will be respecting that resistance. So we have that first leg, second leg, third leg. The market comes down fourth leg. And we look for the break and retest. Headed down to the 45-minute, 1 hour 45, tend to find the same thing. Headed down to the 30. Okay, price action on the 30 is a bullish. It's like a bullish inverted hammer. Price is working its way up. Second last candle is a doji, but that's more of a retest. So what the market did was spike this area for a double top, wasn't able to break, came back down for a retest. Now market's trying to push back up the previous areas of where price was at with the third last candle wick. Price action body is trying to break the third last candle body and the second last candle wick. Maybe not the second last candle wick, but definitely the third body candle. Trying to clear out both. So if it breaks out both, we can see it pushing up. They got to clear the wicks. Price action on a 15-minute time frame. Bullish inverted hammer. So price working its way up. We can see that support that was expected. So let's draw it out first, second, third, fourth. Double bottom retest. The market's working its way up for that W. So we look for the break and retest. Price is near our midpoint line that we created from the earlier time frame. So price is almost there for that push up. Head down for the 5-minute. What do we see? Doji, so market's consolidating. Price action, second, third, fourth last candle, all pushes to the top. So that's a triple top and a retest, or 4 pushes to that top. So if this area is rejected, comes back down to the previous area, could work its way back up for a W. If not, we know that market's working its way down or breaking retest. Headed down to the 3-minute time frame. Price action at 3-minute is a engulfment. Price action is trying to, it definitely is going to engulf the price action because price action bullish candle is a solid bullish candle that's going to engulf the second last candle, third last candle, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh last candles. It's going to clear all that area of the bodies, but we still have the wicks to go. So price action is trying to clear 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th, 8th last candle, and 5th last candle in the market as a price has to close above this wick to see if it's going to push that market down. But we can see that market spike this area for a quadruple top, came back to retest. Now we got a double top. So market's having a hard time breaking this area of resistance, but still have enough formation to still form because we can see that elevation pattern coming up. Head down to the 1 minute, and we got side-by-side candles and price action having a hard time breaking the previous side. Okay, guys, very important information. Please study Forex pattern cheat sheet, break down, read that strategy. Okay, guys, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your attention. GFI USD.